What if I told you that 95% of the universe is completely invisible to us, and we have absolutely no idea what it's made of? What if the planet hiding at the edge of our solar system has been watching us for billions of years without us knowing it exists? And what if Mars, that dead, barren, dusty world, was once exactly like Earth, with oceans, clouds, and maybe even life, until something stole its entire sky? Today we are going inside the four darkest mysteries of our universe. Mysteries that the smartest scientists on the planet have spent decades trying to crack and still can't. Let's start with the one that should terrify every single person watching this. Right now, as you sit there, your entire body, everything you can touch, see, and feel, makes up less than 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is something called dark matter and dark energy, and we cannot see it, we cannot touch it, and we cannot explain it. We only know it exists because of the way gravity behaves in places where there should be nothing. Galaxies are spinning too fast. Light is bending around empty space. Entire galaxy clusters are being pushed apart by a force so powerful, it is tearing the fabric of the cosmos itself. Scientists have built the most sensitive machines in human history, detectors capable of catching a single particle interaction that might occur once in years, and they still haven't found a single dark matter particle. Think about that. The universe is still hiding the majority of itself from us. Now let's talk about Mars, because this one hits different. Mars didn't always look like the barren world we see today. Billions of years ago, it had a thick atmosphere, liquid water on its surface, and conditions that could have supported life. That water didn't just evaporate. The sun's solar wind, a constant stream of charged particles blasting outward from our star, slowly stripped Mars of its atmosphere, piece by piece, over millions of years, until nothing was left but a frozen desert. Here's what nobody talks about, though. Mars had liquid water for hundreds of millions of years. That is longer than it took complex life to evolve on Earth. So the question isn't really whether life could have existed on Mars. The question is, what happened to it? And if we understand how Mars died, we might just understand how Earth could die too. That is not science fiction. That is a question driving real missions happening right now. Here's where things get genuinely strange. At the edge of our solar system, far beyond Neptune, something massive is tugging on the orbits of distant icy objects in a way that can only be explained by the gravity of a hidden planet. Scientists call it Planet 9, a world estimated to be 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, lurking in the darkness so far from the sun that a single year on it could last 10,000 of our years. We have never seen it, not even a blurry photograph. But the mathematical evidence for its existence is so strong that astronomers are betting their careers on it. The unsettling part, if Planet 9 is real, it has been sitting out there in total darkness, completely alone, for the entire 4.5 billion year history of our solar system. And we only just noticed it might exist. But none of these mysteries prepare you for the Fermi paradox, the most disturbing question in all of astronomy. The universe is roughly 14 billion years old. It contains hundreds of billions of galaxies, each holding hundreds of billions of stars, and we now know that most of those stars have planets. The building blocks of life, carbon, water, amino acids, have been found scattered across space, in comets, in interstellar clouds, even on asteroids. So statistically, life should be everywhere. We have been broadcasting radio signals into space for over 100 years. Those signals have already reached thousands of star systems. The silence back is total and absolute. Either we are completely alone in a universe of this scale, which is almost mathematically impossible, or something out there is very, very quiet on purpose. Neither answer is comfortable. The universe is not the calm, empty, predictable place we were taught about in school. It is violent, invisible, ancient, and full of questions that keep the world's greatest minds awake at night. Dark matter we cannot see is holding galaxies together. A planet in our own solar system may be hiding from us right now. A neighboring world that looks dead may have once been alive. And the silence from the stars is either the loneliest fact in existence or the most ominous one. If you want to go deeper on any one of these, drop it in the comments, because we are just getting started.